In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell whether a client has opened your quote. If you've ever sent out a quote and then wondered whether the client actually saw it, this feature makes things much easier. Instead of guessing or sending a follow-up too early, you can quickly check the document status and get a clearer picture of where things stand. To begin, log into your account and stay on either the Home tab or the Documents tab. Both of these areas give you access to your document list so you can view the quotes and contracts you've already sent out. If you regularly manage several client documents at once, this is the fastest place to monitor activity without opening each one individually. Once you're there, look at the top of your document list and click the status filter. This is where you can sort and identify exactly what's happening with your documents. It gives you an instant overview, which is especially helpful if you're tracking multiple proposals at different stages. When you use the filter, you'll see a few key status options. If a document shows as sent, that means you successfully sent it, but the client hasn't opened it yet. This is useful to know because it tells you the quote is still waiting to be seen, so you may want to give it a little more time before following up. If the status shows viewed, that means the client has opened the document. This is an important signal because it tells you they've at least looked at the quote. If some time passes and they still haven't signed, this is usually a good moment to follow up and keep the conversation moving. If the document shows as completed, that means the catering contract has been signed and everything is official. At that point, you know the process is finished and the document is fully executed. There's also a very helpful extra detail you can check if you want more precise information. Open any document and look for the timeline icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small clock. When you click it, you'll be able to see exactly when the client opened the document and how many times they viewed it. This can give you valuable context before you reach out, especially if you want to tailor your follow-up based on their level of engagement. That's all it takes. By checking the status filter and using the timeline when needed, you can stop guessing and start following up with better timing and more confidence.